Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download CrystalDiskMark on your computer. So for downloading that, you have to now search here CrystalDiskMark. Now go to this first link. Now scroll. So now click on this, view a short ad. Now just wait till the ads complete. So here you can see here is a download button. Now click on it. Now again click on close. So here is an option installer. Now click on it. So just wait for a few seconds. The downloading has been started. So as you can see here, we are redirected to the another website. So downloading has been started. So as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to install the CrystalDiskMark or launch the installer. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So here you can see here is an agreement. Accept the agreement, then click on next. Then you have to choose the location where you have to install the CrystalDiskMark. So I will let it be the same as default. Now click on next. Again click on next, then click on install. So here you can see the CrystalDiskMark has been installed. Now click on finish. So as you can see here, the CrystalDiskMark is showing here that is now launched. So this is how you can download CrystalDiskMark absolutely for free. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.